Elmer's glue against the microwave. Let's get right into it. All right, let's get this glue. Regular school glue, white. We're gonna put this in the microwave, and I'm curious to see what it's gonna do when heated, because I have no idea. Every bit out we can. All right, 5 good minutes. Let's see what this does. And here we go. All right, we got 5 good minutes. See what this does in the microwave. 5 minutes. School glue. I don't know how this is gonna react. I don't think it's flammable. Doesn't say anything on the bottle about being flammable. It just says keep from freezing, so you don't want to freeze it. But oh wow, it's starting to bubble already. See that? It's like humping in the middle. Wow, it's only been 40 seconds. What the heck is this gonna do? Whoa, look at that expanding.
Amazing!
It looks like marshmallows. That's pretty cool so far. It's been 1 minute. It's been 1 minute. And it's already over the ball. I wonder if this is gonna keep expanding. Is it gonna harden? It's probably gonna harden. I'm expecting it to get hard or almost turn into like a rubber. Oh my gosh, it's starting to expand even more. It's like coming outside the bowl now. Oh, look at that. Whoa, this is gonna be messy. It's only been 1.5 minutes. This is not gonna go 5 minutes, guys. Because it hasn't even been 2 minutes. It's just gonna keep climbing out the bowl. This is gonna be a big mess to clean up. It's pretty cool though. It smells like glue. It looks like glue. Hey, I think it might be glue. Whoa, look at that. It's like bubbling. It's expand. I wonder if it's gonna turn a different color than white. Look at that. It's got holes in it. It looks like Swiss cheese. It's been over 2 minutes. It's not smoking a whole lot right now, which is good. Because it doesn't smell bad. But that's a pretty cool reaction when heated. It's like it'll bubble up and then it just comes. It's like all up in the microwave, man. What it's gonna do though? Is it gonna stay liquidy or is it gonna harden like a rubber? Because it's all coming out the bowl. Oh, look at that. That's pretty unbelievable, man. It doesn't have a horrible smell right now. It's not really burning. But it's been 3 minutes. A couple more minutes and we'll take it out and see. It looks like it's starting to harden more. It looks like somebody's skin, like after it burns, you know? It's just like a weird texture. Wow. It's a pretty cool one. This is a pretty good one. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this one in the comments. It's pretty cool to watch glue in the microwave. I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. It's been 4 minutes. We got 1 minute to go. It's still bubbling. It hasn't technically burned yet. Like, it hasn't darkened in color. It doesn't. There's no smoke coming out the side of the microwave. There's a little smoke inside, you can see, but for the most part, it did go over the edge a little bit, but for the most part, it's what it was. It got 20 seconds. Now it's like, goes up, then it flattens out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's see what this. Whoa. Oh my gosh. What in the world happened in here? That is unbelievable. Look at that. It definitely turned into like almost like, it's like when you cook milk, you know how it gets like skim on top? That's kind of what I can relate it to. Whoa. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna take this out and we're gonna see, we're gonna observe it a little bit more. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it like rubbered out. It's taking the whole tray out. Look at that. Whoa. Dude. That is pretty cool. Let's poke at it a little bit. Look at that. It turned to like I said, look at that. It turned to like rubber. When you heated it, it turns to like a rubber. There's still some liquid at the bottom that didn't get enough heat, but look at that. Y'all see that? It definitely turned into like a rubbery substance. If I would have heated it even longer, all this would have turned into like, wow, so school glue. You know how to make rubber now. You just take some glue, you heat it up, and you got rubber. Look at that. It's pretty unbelievable what it does in the microwave when you heat it. It started to bubble, and I knew it was gonna harden a little bit. I knew it was gonna James harden a little bit. And that's exactly what it did. That's cool. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all subscribe at Mr. Microwave for more cool experiment videos in the microwave. Comment below for any videos you might wanna see me put in the microwave, and I'll give you a shout out. Thanks for watching.